Hey, Mike Stan here. I'm just about to do a bike ride. I'm in the Banff National Park and we're going to go for a bike ride through the campground in Lake Louise. I will explain while we're doing our bike ride how I got my black eye. I assume you all noticed, but essentially I was playing baseball, went to go for a catch in the outfield. I don't know what happened, but the ball took a weird bounce and my glove wasn't anywhere close to protect my eye. So got the nice shiner, no broken nose though, thankfully, and I hope it doesn't happen again.
You could hardly see my black eye with the sunglasses on. So we would come down from there, where that white car is. To get there, you turn left and continue on to the campground down at the end of the road. However, if you go straight, you go up towards Lake Louise. Such a nice, calm stream. A little area right near the bottom of the camera here. Good enough for dipping your feet in. Not much for view at this location, but still pretty nice. Smile. All right, that part was pretty nice and beautiful, not too hard to do. And we're gonna make our way back, but for the time being, we're not super duper tired, but definitely refreshing. Incredible smells, tons of fresh air here, good for the senses, and very refreshing. Amy's using the Volt bike, Bravo. It's very nice. It's an electric bike. Essentially, the battery pack there has the name on it, Volt bike, and comes with a little stand on the back. There's a throttle that shows you your speed. It also has pedal assist, which means as you pedal, it pushes you faster. Can you show them? Like that. She's hardly pushing, and it's helping her big time. All right, now without pedaling, show us the throttle. Show us level 9.
Just the throttle?
Yeah, just the throttle.